Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.0 on Fedora Linux 42. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website. It is postgresql.org. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is PostgreSQL 18. Click on download or download, both are same. Then select Linux, then select Red Hat, Rocky or Alma Linux. See here, the PostgreSQL repository currently supports RHL, Rocky Linux, Alma Linux, and see here for Fedora we have the star. Due to the shorter support cycle on Fedora, all supported version of PostgreSQL are not available on this platform. We do not recommend using Fedora for server deployment. Okay, then select the version, then select the platform. See here, we have the Fedora 41, 42 and 43. I am on 42, so select the 42. See, once we selected, it populated the list of the commands that needs to be executed. So copy these commands one by one. Then open terminal. Paste it, hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. It is done. Now install PostgreSQL Server. Sudo dnf install PostgreSQL 18-server. If you want to install 17, just you need to give 17. Okay. You want to install 18-server. See. Okay. So hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL Server 18 and these dependencies. Type A for confirmation. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed PostgreSQL Server 18. Ctrl A. Now check the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl. If you don't give the version number, it won't work. See, but we have to give the version number, PostgreSQL, then -version. See, PostgreSQL Server is installed, but it is not started. Before starting, we have to initialize this. Before starting, I am going to initialize the database by running this command. Now start the PostgreSQL Server. Yes, I forgot to give the version number. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL Server is running. Okay, still it is disabled. Q to quit. Now enable it. Sudo systemctl enable PostgreSQL -18. Ctrl A. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL Server is enabled and it is active and running. And also see here, PID is for the PostgreSQL processes. See, like logger, IO worker, checkpointer, background writer, wall writer, auto vacuum launcher. And this is the data directory. Okay, Q to quit. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres. psql. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL Server, but this is not the PostgreSQL Server version, it is psql client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL Server, we have to run the command select. See, we have installed PostgreSQL Server 18.0. Now, the first step after connecting to PostgreSQL Server is we have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. Okay, so verify list of users /du. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is the super user. You can also get the list of the users by running select user from username from pg_user. See, we got the same. Now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password, then provide the password. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is a password. Okay, we have successfully set the password for Postgres user. Now verify list of databases. The commands that starts with / are called meta commands. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. Let us create database. Create or we can get the list of the databases by running select dat name from pg_database. See, we got the same. Okay, Control A. Now create database. Create. See, we have created database. Now switch to this database and create a table. So switch to database, we have to use \c or connect. Then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now verify list of tables. See, you don't have any tables. Let us create table. See, we have created table customer in public schema, and this is the one of the table. Okay, now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we'll create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same \tu. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. To exit, we have to use the \q. psql-h localhost. H means host name, localhost because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one. And you can give loopback IP or IP of the machine or server name or machine name. Okay, host name. Okay, so -u must be caps. Then username is David. -d means database Postgres. Hit enter. Then provide the password of this user. See here, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. So provide that password. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now try to run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission needed for table customer because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. So exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart PostgreSQL server 18.0 on Fedora Linux. Okay, exit. You can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit. Sudo systemctl. Control L, sudo systemctl. Stop PostgreSQL -18. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is stopped 10 seconds ago. Quit. Control L. You can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. See, we are unable to connect, so exit from the current user, that is Postgres. Now start it, sudo systemctl, start PostgreSQL -18. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL service is started 1 second ago. Quit. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl -18. Now verify the status. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. Quit. Control it. Until now, we have connected PostgreSQL server by using psql client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgAdmin or dbeaver. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both pgAdmin or dbeaver on Fedora Linux operating systems. Okay, for more PostgreSQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.